action. All right, we're here in beautiful Louisiana. Today's been a cloudy day. Some awesome friends are letting us stay on their property. And right behind us, there's a bathhouse and a shower. And our bus is parked here, but we have a little bit of a hill. So what we had to do here, Toby, if you want to point the camera at the tire, we had to build a kind of a step-up ramp because our bus is an air system, but it doesn't, we don't have self-leveling or automatic leveling. So essentially we had to find a nice spot so when I air down all the air system, it just has to be a nice level spot. Otherwise it's going to be like a sailboat. So basically it's pretty level side to side, but from front to back we have a drop in the front. So I built a little roll-on, step-up ramp.
Roll-on, step-up ramp.
And I just bought some 2x10s and screwed them together. And so on the other side, because the hill does drop a little on this side, I had to put one extra 2x10 to get it a little higher. But as a result, our step up into the bus is a huge jump. And it's like a workout for your glutes every time. So we want to minimize that. What we're gonna do is, I got some treated 2x10 because it's very humid here, lots of moisture, lots of potential rain. So as a quick fix, we're just gonna basically build a little bench to step up into the bus to alleviate that height. All right, here we go. And I got Jesse helping me, Toby helping me, and even Levi right there is helping. Moral support. Ooh. This is probably overkill. Just like Biden says, we gotta build back better. There we go. We're gonna have the world's strongest step stool. Okay, you won't be able to get this out.
Is that funny, Levi?
You won't be able to get this at Walmart. And there you have it. That's a shelf. I mean a step stool. The baby still, it's like climbing Mount Everest. But it's still possible. So, boom. That's what we got for now.